All right, everybody, welcome to the 2019 Crete Carrier Rodeo practice. So we're going to get him started. Here we go. Oh, he's looking pretty close. I think he's going to clear it, though. Hopefully I won't have to blow my whistle at him. Close? That's very close. Here we go. He's adjusting. He's adjusting. Oh, looks like we got a perfect 50 there. How about that, folks?
Got a 50.
All right. I've been doing this since 1999. We've had a lot of fun doing this, and we love the camaraderie of being with other drivers from other companies. And we get together with the state troopers out there, and they have their competition. We have our competition. There's a lot of good camaraderie, and it promotes safety. Because in order to do this, you got to be accident-free for the whole year. The idea here is to get as close to that yellow post without hitting it. Look at that. 50. A 50. Good, man. Well, you drive like that. Next week, you're going to have it made, partner. This is always a little bit more difficult, this thing, because you always think you're there and you're not there. Well, well, that's a judgment call. Did I stop him with the whistle, or did he stop?
I don't know. I felt like a 50-pointer to me.
Okay, we'll give him a 50. Well, only he knows whether he already stopped or whether I blew the whistle. I got to ask you, Joby, that last time, did you stop because of my whistle, or you stopped? He stopped. We got it from the man.
There it is.
You didn't hear my whistle, did you? Okay, you didn't hear my whistle. Look at that. Perfect 50. I like this guy. You like this guy?
Yeah. Wow.
We have our last contestant. His name is Josh. He is also a rookie. And we're going to run him through this pre-trip. There's a number of problems planted on this truck. It's his job to find them. Once he turns around and looks at that truck, he's only going to have 7 minutes to find these defects. So I think he's getting about ready to go. Yes, sir. And there he goes. Let's see how he does. Found one defect here.
Defect. Paper clip in the seatbelt buckle.
He's found a defect with the seatbelt. Checking them lug nuts.
Defect, no crank handle for the landing gear.
He's found out there's no dolly crank handle. That's definitely a defect.
Defect, debris in between the two tires.
He's found some debris between the duals. Doing a good job there for being a rookie.
Defect. Tape, non-reflective, on the side of the trailer.
Well, that's a good job. I have to say I did this same pre-trip and I missed that, so he's doing a really good job there.
Rear mud flap.
Yeah. Got a defective mud flap there. Checking them mirrors over again.
Defect. Wire around the passenger side mirror. Side.
Well, there you have it. 7 minutes, and he's done a real good job.
All right.
Real good job. Now I want to see what he missed. Let's see what he missed.
He's got a tool laying up there on top of the grill there.
He missed a tool.
I looked right at it.
Right at it. Check the airlines now. Look, the airlines are touching the deck plate. They can't touch anything. They have to be free hanging. And everybody's come here, they start flopping these off. whole system. So all in all, you did pretty good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of 18 in that.
I like that you called that taper on that hazmat placard thing. I missed that.
Yeah, that was a great catch.
And the debris on the step, I missed that.
No, you did really good.
Excellent.
And the speed was good.
Yeah.
And that you didn't dilly-dally around.
Yeah.
And so looking forward to great, awesome things out of you.
Thank you.
And I think you're going to be natural.
Outstanding, man.
Thank you.
Never having been there before, what are you expecting?
Well, I'm nervous, and I'm expecting it to be a lot, and hopefully I do well. I'm going to give it my all, and hopefully represent Crete Shaffer Hunt very well.